There are many areas in the body where adipose tissue dominates, such as here in the greater omentum. Adipose tissue is very vascular. You can just see a small blood vessel running alongside the definitions of adipose tissue in this region here, as well as here, and also here. It's a good tissue to demonstrate the histological structure of small arterioles and venules, which are just seen in previous lectures, and also blood capillaries. Here is a section of adipose tissue. As I said a moment ago, it's well supplied with very small arteries or arterioles and venules, and is especially rich in capillaries. A capillary consists of a single layer of endothelial cells, sometimes with an associated pericyte. Here is a nice example of a longitudinal section. Capillaries are just large enough in diameter for only one red blood cell to pass through at a time. The larger structures, big enough to hold 2 or more blood cells abreast, but still with only one layer of flattened endothelium in their wall, are of course going to be venules. Arterioles, of course, have one or more layers of concentrically arranged smooth muscle cells wrapped around a simple endothelium. And as you know, venules are often just an endothelium supported by minimal amounts of connective tissue. Here is a good example of some capillaries in skin. These capillaries lie just underneath the epidermis of your skin. Here you'll be able to see venules, which are larger in lumen, but also lined by endothelial cells, but they contain a number of red blood cells packed in their lumen, whereas the capillary, shown over here, has just a single line of red blood cells passing through it because, as I explained earlier, capillaries have a very, very narrow lumen.